So hi everyone, my name is Vikas. So I am an investment banker. Okay, so I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking. Okay, so today I'm making this short video for all of those like who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. Okay, so this video will also be relevant for those like who are looking to switch their field into investment banking and currently they are basically working in the other fields. Okay, so in this short video, so I'm going to talk about what are the different skill set which is required to get excelled in this field. Okay, so what are the different kind of prerequisites to be eligible for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. So then at last, so I will review one of the best financial modeling course, which is basically available online. Okay. So now I'm just starting with point number one, where we are going to discuss about the skill set which is required to get excel in this particular field. Okay. So you should have a good conceptual knowledge about the basics of finance, accounting, time value of money. So you should understand the different kind of financial statement, like we have three major financial statement like the P&L, balance sheet, and the cash flow. You should know how these statements are interlinked with each other. Then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. You should know about like how to work on different kind of models like the DCF, LBO, M&A. Okay, so then forecasting techniques. So you should know how the revenue of the company is being driven, what are the different kind of costs associated with the business. So then only you will be able to forecast the financial of a company. Okay, so then the financial modeling is not just about the numbers or just preparing a model. So how you're presenting your data with the help of charts and with the help of storytelling, so that really matters a lot. Okay, so that data presentation is also a very important skill set that you might be requiring for entering into this particular field. Okay, so now we'll be moving to point number two, where we are just discussing about what are the prerequisites, the kind of requirement which these recruitment firm or the investment banking firm looks within a candidate when they are basically hiring for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, the first one is basically about your academic background. Okay, so what academic background you are coming from. Okay, so some big opportunities like if you are applying for any bulge bracket investment bank, so then they basically specifically look for any selected institute or selected university. So otherwise, like most of these job opportunities can be applied if you have a skill set which is required to get excel in this field. Okay, so then the second point is basically about the skill sets. You should have a basics to advanced Excel skills, financial analysis skill, and the problem solving skills. So then talking about the last but not the least, which is also very important point, so that is basically about the case studies and the aptitude test. Okay, so if they are fine with your academic background, so if you have the desired skill set, then they will be testing you basis some case studies and the aptitude test. In case you qualify for those, so then you'll be moving forward with the technical round. Okay, so this is the entire process like for getting selected into investment banking or any financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so now I'm going to rate one of the best financial modeling course basis some parameters. Okay, so these are the parameters like on the basis of which we are going to rate this particular course. So this course is basically offered by QuintEdge School. Okay, so the course name is Financial Modeling Course. Okay, so this course basically comes with 100% placement support, 180 plus hours of SD video content with detailed notes, lectures by seasoned investment bankers and industry experts, hand-on financial modeling simulation for practical applications, real-world case studies and example from notable deals. So then looking at, so these are the additional features like we'll be getting the unlimited out session, case studies will be there. Okay, revision and backup classes will be there. Okay, so now just coming to the curriculum, like what all they are covering in this particular course. So they are going to cover from basic to advanced Excel, then fundamentals of accounting for financial modeling fundamentals, MS PowerPoint in investment banking, DC evaluation, trading comparable, transaction comparables, football feed analysis, leverage buyout, merger model, valuation of a banking company, real estate model, and oil and gas company model. So these are the curriculum of this particular course. Okay, so then talking about like what all they are covering in this particular course. So what are the additional benefits? So if we talk about the internship support, so they have mentioned somewhere that like they will be providing you with the internship opportunities as well. Placement support, they have already mentioned that, right? So these are the feature of this course. So now basis this, so we are going to review this course. Okay, so if we look at the course that, so they are covering this course from the comprehensive angle. So this is going to be a comprehensive course. So for which I'm rating them 1. The Excel skills that you are going to learn in this course. So then live session will be there. So this is going to be a mix of like a live plus a recorded video. So out of those 180 hours of videos that you are going to attend in this particular course, so this will be a mix of like a few live classes as well as you will also be going through some recorded videos. Okay, so then live doubt session will be arranged for you. Internship support, so they have mentioned that like you'll be getting some internship opportunities as well. Placement support, so although they are providing you with the placement support, but they will be charging for it in case you get placed through QuintEdge school. So then you will be charged a additional fee of about 35,000 rupees in case you get placed through themselves. So for that reason, I'm just rating them 0 on this particular point. So course fee. So this course is basically available for a fee of 49,000 plus GST, 50,000 plus GST. Okay, so then it is good amount. So then course duration. So they're going to cover this entire course in about 2 to 3 months. So then it is good. So money back guarantee is something that is not available in this course. So LMS access will be there, but so that will be available for the limited time. So basis these parameters, so QuintEdge school have scored 7 out of 10. Okay, so this is my course review for the QuintEdge Financial Modeling course. Okay, so now in case you are really looking to build your career in this particular field of investment banking and financial modeling, so I can recommend a better financial modeling course. So the details of which is basically available in the description box. So I would suggest like you just give it a read and you just go through the details of that particular course. And in case you need any kind of further assistance or any more details related to that particular course, so you can just comment on the within the comment section. So I'll revert to you as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope you will like this video and thanks for watching the video.